Hello everybody. We're ready to do our word warm up this morning. Can't even say it, it's so early in the morning. Word warm up. And these are our spelling words for this week. And all of our spelling words this week have the long A sound, A, and the long I sound, I. So the long A and the long I sound for this week. All of our spelling words. So everybody stand up. I want everybody to stand up. Move around a little. Jog in place. Run, run, run. Get your blood flowing. Get your body moving. Stretch your head. Get ready to learn. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Our first word for today is cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Now you say it. Great job. Cake makes the long A sound. This little E right here on the end is silent, and it makes the A the long A sound. C-A-K-E. Word number 2, mine. M-I-N-E, mine. Makes the long I sound. The E on the end is silent, and it gives this vowel the long sound, long I, mine. Now you say it. Great job. Next is plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. You say it. Good job. Next we have size. Size. S-I-Z-E, size. Your turn. Next we have ate. A-T-E, ate. And that means like when you sit down to eat or you say, ooh, I ate that yesterday. It's not the number 8. It's talking about when we eat in the past tense. Not the number 8, the word ate. A-T-E, ate. Now you say it. Okay, here we go. Grape. Grape. G-R-A-P-E, grape. You say it. Next we have prize. P-R-I-Z-E, prize. Can you say prize? Great job. Next is wipe. W-I-P-E, wipe. Can you say wipe? Next we have race. R-A-C-E, race. This one can be a little tricky because the E on the end gives the long A sound, but it also makes this C sound like an S. Race. But it's a C. R-A-C-E. Now you say race. Next we have line. L-I-N-E, line. You say it. Then we have pile. P-I-L-E, pile. Your turn. And our last spelling word for this week is rake. R-A-K-E, rake. You say it. And these are our review words. These are spelling words from last week that we're just going to review again. They have the short I and the short A sound. When, flat, rip, and if. So it's when, flat, rip, and if. Those are our review words. So these are our spelling words for this week. Now I want you to take out your journals and write your spelling words 3 times each, just for practice. Great job.